Hello and welcome to Simon English. I'm Simon, and this is book 3 of our level 1 reading program. It is called The Sad Cloud. Okay, are you sitting comfortably? Then I'll begin. High in the sky, there is a little gray cloud. The sky is very big and blue. The little cloud is very sad today. He looks down at the green park. He starts to cry. Trip, drop, trip, drop. Large raindrops fall from the sky. The grass gets very wet. Oh no! It is raining! Cry the children. They run away fast. They do not want to get wet. The little cloud feels bad. Everyone runs away when I cry. I ruin the beautiful day, he whispers. He floats slowly over a dry, brown field. The wind blows him to a small garden. He sees a little yellow flower. The flower is very thirsty. Its head is down near the dirt. The cloud cries more. The rain falls on the yellow flower. The flower drinks the cold water. Look! The yellow flower stands up tall. Thank you, little cloud, says the flower. The cloud is surprised. He floats to a big apple tree. The leaves are brown and dry. He cries over the tree. Soon the leaves turn bright green. The tree is very happy now. I am not ruining the day, says the cloud. I am helping the flowers and the trees grow. The sun comes out from behind the cloud. The sun is very warm and bright. The sun shines through the raindrops. Suddenly, a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. The rainbow has many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. It is wonderful. The little cloud is not sad now. He is a happy cloud. He is a good friend to nature. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe and like and share so you can always see more content. Thank you very much. Bye now.